Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video I will explain you about USB connecting and disconnecting in your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now let's move toward the video. So if you want to connect the USB to your device or you want to disconnect your USB from your device, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can connect and disconnect the USB from your device Samsung S22 and S22 Plus. Let's watch the video.